In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a music track on your video in Shotcut. Now we have here our videos uploaded in our timeline, but the problem is there is no music and we want to accompany music on this video. Now for you to be able to add the music track on this video, you first need to go and select the music track that you want to add. So for my case, I have it here. So what I simply need to do is to drag and drop it here. And for us to be able to add the music track, what you simply need to do is to right click beneath the track, the video track, and then track operations. And then here what we need is add audio track operations, and then click on add audio track added. For you to be able to see it properly, hover over here and then move it upwards so that you can see the space for you to be able to add the audio track. So what we now simply need to do is to move our audio track on the timeline. Once we are done, you cut it from where the video ends and then delete the unwanted part. Now our audio track has been added and we can play it now. Great. The other thing you might want to do maybe is to adjust the volume or to mute. For you to be able to mute, if in case you want to mute the audio track, you can simply hover here and we have the mute function. And when you mute, you realize the music is gone. When you unmute, the music is back. That's how we add an audio track in Shotcut. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.